Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, finally, we are at the end of August, and my IPSY Glam bag has arrived. And inside of it, there was this huge box that came with it, and it is my add-ons. So I'm going to do this video to share with you about the IPSY Glam bag, and then I'm gonna go through that big box and take my picture for Instagram, and then I'll sit down again and do another video with you guys of the add-ons that I chose for this box. This is the month that is a Glam X box. So I don't get my Glam Bag Plus. So that is what the dollars that I spent in the add-on store. So I kind of made my own customized box. So I'm really excited to see when I get to open up that box to see exactly what I chose, because I remember being so excited that there were certain items in there that I never saw before on IPSY. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel, because today we are going to have a few boxes. One that is a full makeup box that I cannot wait to share with you on this channel. And then of course this one from IPSY, as well as my IPSY add-on customized. So we're gonna have a lot to be able to share with you today. All right. Also, don't forget, we do have a giveaway going on. That's for the Glossy Box, limited edition box. That is fantastic. And that is going to be closing at the end of this month. So if you haven't seen that video because you've been away or so on and so forth, make sure to, I'll try to leave the link in my description box so you guys don't miss out on that, because all you have to do is enter on that video, and then you'll be able to be entered when we choose the winner at the end of the month. All right. I cannot believe we are so close to the end of August. All right. So right now we are going to be talking about the IPSY Glam bag. And as you know, on this channel, True Wants is very lucky. We also sometimes get, which we have for a little while now, the PR from IPSY. And usually they send over at the beginning of the month the Glam bag as well as a Glam Bag Plus. But as you know, on my channel, I get the Glam Bag Plus, the add-ons, the flash sales, the shopper, all of it, plus the Glam X that I pay for. So this is always a treat when we're able to get some sneak peeks at the beginning of the month, and sometimes it happens before choice. So I always like to be able to share that with you. So we did get an email, but the tracking isn't moving yet. So I'm not sure if we're gonna get it before choice day, but I'm excited that we're still gonna be able to share it on this channel. But this month, instead of sending us the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus at the beginning of the month, they sent the X. So we got to see some sneak peeks about the X before it was time for us to choose for the X, which, including for myself, was very, very helpful. So always happy, and thank you to IPSY for always thinking about True Wants. I appreciate that so much. But this is my paid for version, and I did not get any of these in the PR package. So I cannot wait to be able to share this. I had no idea that this bag was made of this silky type of material. I don't know why. This is beyond stunning. The toggle on this is out of this world, and the IPSY name is only on one side of it, but that's the only area that I think there is the IPSY name. The zipper pull is gorgeous. It has a beautiful lining inside. I am blown away by this. So now if I see in the mystery bag the plus version of this that has the two ties, that will definitely be something that will be added to my cart, because I am blown away by the quality of this bag. I always like the bags, but this one is so different. It feels like silk. Really, really impressed with this. Okay, and as you know, and if you don't know, with IPSY and the Glam bag, this is their starter bag. So all in all, with the $1.99 and all of that, this is around $15 a month. And you get, they promise you 5 deluxe sample size plus the bag. The bag is never part of the count. And sometimes when you get the opportunity to make a choice, or they put in the bag, you sometimes will end up with a full size item, sometimes more than one, which I have always had the good luck to be able to get. All right, so now here we go. So let's get started. And as you know, I always try to have my notes and everything prepared, because There is a card that comes in here, but it does not always have the information in it. But this month it does. So that is fantastic for a lot of people that don't do what I do, but I always prepare ahead to make sure that I know exactly what is supposed to be in the box. I treat these notes to be able to be prepared if it doesn't come on the card. So starting with the first item that I have on my notes, and sometimes I also, when I prepare this, they have discounts on IPSY site, and I add them onto my notes so that if it's something that I'm interested in, I then am able to purchase it with the discount, and I usually put this in my description box down below, and you'll be able to access those codes as well. So the first item that I have on here was my pick, and this ended up being just as beautiful as I thought it was going to be based on the picture that was there. So there's a bit of a glare on this. This is from the brand called BellaPierre, and what I do, if you're not familiar, is I open up everything prior to sitting down, and I set it up for my Instagram, and my name there is True Wants with the number 2. And I always tell you that if you're not following me there, you are missing out, especially for sneak peeks, as well as if there's information that it doesn't need a whole video to go through the products, I will just put it on Instagram. But my favorite thing that I do is at the end of the month, I do a huge tower of everything that has been sent to the channel, purchased for the channel, subscription boxes from the channel, everything having to do with YouTube. I then do a full tower. And then I do another picture where I lay everything out on my huge bathroom floor with everything opened up so you could peek into every single box. And then I do a final one where I do my organization of ones that I want to try, ones I'm going to give away. It's just, you're missing out if you don't follow me on Instagram. There's a lot that I'm able to share there. All right, so these are the gorgeous colors that are in here. And this one I will swatch at the end. But there was a promo code in here that would give us 25% discount on their this product here. So it is absolutely fantastic. Not only on this product, on this brand. And this is a they're saying this is a $25 value on its own. Remember, we're talking a $15 box. This is considered full size. They're saying it is an eyeshadow palette. It says, look gorgeous naturally with 6 versatile shades in matte and shimmer finishes that are inspired by the most loved shimmer stack shades. It says apply with your eyeshadow brush, starting with the darker shade at the outer corners of your eyes, adding a light shimmer shade in the inner corner to the center, and then blend the two together with that, and I will give you that flawless, sultry look. It says these eyeshadows are formulated with natural minerals and ingredients that won't crease or fade throughout the day. And about the brand, they're saying it is a team in both the US and Europe. The company was founded by this gentleman named David Orenseer, and he has embarked on this 10+ year journey with the goal to deliver high quality colored cosmetics with this niche market brand. And this is a brand that a lot of times we see in boxes. So it's one that I never knew that it was also a European brand. So always excited to have the opportunity to try this. And this one is called It's Only Natural Eyeshadow Palette. And like I said, I will swatch this one at the end. The next one, it came in this plastic packaging, and inside was a full-size brush. Again, so now we have a second full-size item, and this is from Estate Cosmetics. It is the eyeliner brush. It says why we will love it. They're saying this is a $10 brush, and it is an eyeliner brush. So I will show you up close. It is these ones that are great to put on eyeliner. They're also great for brows as well. I love these brushes and use them all the time. It says line your eyes with the Total Pro with this eyeliner brush. They have firm bristles with to help you create that crisp, straight line easily. You could dip the brush directly into an eyeshadow or a cream eyeliner and then trace it along your lash line. This brand is also cruelty and vegan. And then they're saying Estate Cosmetics is a Montreal-based brand with a passion for creating super pigmented, long-lasting products with an intense color payoff. I didn't know that either. So this is from the brand called Estate. The next item that we have in here is one that I use and enjoy, and if you got this or it ends up being a pick for you in the future, it is one that I highly recommend. This is from the brand called Origins, and only recently this brand started being in the IPSY box, and I am so excited about it. This is called Cheeks and Balances, but it is a frothy face wash, and they're saying this is the deluxe sample size. It is a 30 ml. And it says what it does, it has kelp extract, wheat proteins, and tourmaline in this foaming cleanser that works together to help purify and balance your skin, while this mint essential oil leaves your skin feeling energized and refreshed. Massage a small amount onto your damp skin to create a rich lather, and then again, rinse well with warm water. They're saying it is a gentle formula that is safe for all skin types, including dry, oil, as well as sensitive skin. And they're saying that this brand is a team of scientists and that create Orange's products to marry the amazing powers of natural derived ingredients with the most advanced scientific research. It is such a fantastic brand, and we are so lucky that it is now in IPSY. And this is what the product looks like here. I'm going to put a little bit on this hand so you'll be able just to see. It comes out like not even a gel. It's like a thicker formula. My memory is it had a bit of a, yeah, it has a bit of like an orange scent to it. And when you put water on this, it foams up. It is such a treat. It is so, so beautiful. I'm so excited that this is in my box. I cannot tell you. And let me see if they have the price here for the full size of this. So the full size of this would be $30. The next item in here is from Pathholic. And I love when they put masks in my box. First, I love sheet masks, but more importantly, they always end up putting two, and those two are considered one product. So it's an absolute treat. So this one is from this brand, and I haven't tried this brand. So if you have, please share it in the comments down below because I'd love to learn more about it. This is from Pathholic, and it is an Aqua Plus, a moisturizing Aqua Plus soothing mask duo. They're saying the value of this is only $4. So these are only $2 each. And they're saying they help hydrate and soothe your skin these are Korean beauty masks, and they only take 20 minutes to help your skin feel brand new. They're saying apply the mask evenly over your cleansed face, avoiding the eyes and the mouth area. Leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. Then remove and press in any remaining product. These masks contain a powerhouse of moisturizing ingredients like hyaluronic acid. About the brand, they're saying it is a professional mask patch brand, providing high quality masks for instant relaxation and skin revitalization. So one of these says it is a moisturizing mask, and the other one says it is a soothing mask. So those are the two that are here. And I always like to give you the little tips that I do in reference to the sheet mask so I can get more than one use out of the actual mask that's inside. I only use the mask once, but what I do is when I take this out, I always take it out over the sink because there's always extra essences inside here. And what I do is I then fold it down with whatever's left in here, and I close it with a chip clip. Then over the next couple of days, I will use this as my serum as opposed to my other serums until there's nothing left in the package. And also when you remove it, you will still have a lot extra still on your skin that didn't penetrate in even after the 20 minutes. Don't rinse it off. Massage that into your skin, down your neck, to your décolleté, onto your hands. Whatever you can put anywhere on your skin, it will enjoy it as well. So those are the little tricks that I do with sheet masks to get more than one use out of it. But the actual sheet mask, I do throw away. All right. The next item that we have in here is from this brand called Pistache. And this is a fantastic, fantastic brand. This one is a brand that they use the oils from the pistachio nut. I started with this brand through IPSY with their hand cream, and I was really impressed with the scent and everything about it. This is a newer one to me. It is their lip gloss. This is also considered full size. I think almost everything in my box was full size except for the origins. Is that not insane? All right, so this one here is, it says, think of this lip gloss as a nourishing dessert for your lips, helping to plump them up with vitamins and mineral-rich pistachio oil. Apply directly to your lips whenever they are in need of hydration. It's a natural lip balm that is great when you're on the go. And about this brand, they're saying Sima Mostafavi wanted to harness the power of the vitamins and mineral-rich California pistachio oil by formulating high-quality natural products, so she launched this Pistachio Skincare. It is such a treat to learn about these brands, and this is made in California. And let me just put a little bit on the side here, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to put it up close so you guys will be able to see. Let me see if I can get some out of here. It seems to be like a thicker formula, so let me see. And a lot of people were saying that when they get the pistachio products, there doesn't seem to be a lot of product in here. So I'm just going to take a little bit off with my finger, and I'm feeling the same. But this is a nice way to be able to test and see if you like the scent, if you like the formula. but just like the others that have mentioned in reference to the other skincare, I did not have that with the hand cream. So I don't know what is going on with their system, but there seems to be very, very little in here, which is really surprising. But this is a lip gloss, and like I showed you, it has that tilt to it, so it's easy to put on your lips. So that is what this looks like here. And there is very minor scent to this compared to their hand cream. All right, let me do some swatching in reference to that, and let me see if there is a price on this one here. And they're saying, I think this is so hard to see on this little card, so give me a second. I'm just going to use my handy dandy magnifier. I think it is a $5. So that is what the cost of that is. And now let me just do some swatching. I'm just going to put my sleeves a little bit higher up because of course I'm wearing a lighter color top today, and we got so many box deliveries. It is a fantastic day, a great way to end the month and a great way to have a Monday start of the week. So let's do some swatching here. So I'm going to do these 3 that are on top here. They're very light. This is the type that you would need to build up. So I'm just going to put some more on my fingers and build it up. And that is what it looks like with 2 swatches on it. And then I'm just going to wipe my fingers. I have always a wet little cloth here and then a dry cloth right beside it. And then I will do the ones on the bottom. So it has a mixture of like mattes. There's 3 mattes and 3 satin shimmers. On my hand, they look beautiful. And remember, swatches are just to give you an idea of the color. But for me, this is something that it always, best way to judge is when you're doing it on your eyes. But they do not feel powdery. They do not feel anything negative. And I know the BellaPierre is a good brand. So I'm excited to have the opportunity to play with this. And this is beautiful if you want to do that natural look as well. So that's everything that I received in my box. And I cannot believe how many full sizes. So we got the full size of this. We got the full size pencil. We got 2 full size masks. We got a full size lip gloss. And then we got this brand Origins, which is such a fantastic brand of their Cheeks and Balance. This is their Frothy face wash, and that is what is on this hand here. So excited to be able to share this box with you. Happy that it arrived still in the month of August, and I'm sure I'm probably one of the last girls to get it, but it's always worth the wait for me. And I will definitely be filming the add-on box as soon as I take a picture and open up that huge box to see everything that's in there. And I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So make sure to check the giveaway that we have going on so that you guys will be able to get the limited edition box and have an opportunity to win that. So happy that I'm able to be able to share that with you as well. And this bag as well from this Glam bag from IPSY. Please share with me in the comments if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products, because I'm sure others have got this before me. So I would love to know your thoughts on the sheet mask as well as the BellaPierre. And if you ended up with this pistachio, if yours also felt pretty empty, I'm a little surprised about that. I will be writing to IPSY to find out if that's, you know, a problem that they're having or if this is the norm. But anytime you're not satisfied with anything in your box, I always recommend that you reach out to IPSY and give them the opportunity to correct if there is a problem. This could be a problem with the manufacturing facility, that when they got them, they didn't know that the tubes really pretty much were empty. All right, that's my thought process in that. All right, take care everybody. Continue to stay safe and well. Excited to be able to see what's in that next box. Hopefully you're just as excited and you're watching this channel today because we have a lot to be able to share with you on this Monday. All right, take care everybody, stay well, and I'll see you all soon in the next one. Bye for now.